Are you struggling with hair loss or thinning hair and looking for a simple, affordable solution that actually works? In this video, I am sharing a simple, effective, and affordable remedy for hair loss. If you've experienced hair thinning or hair loss, this remedy is for you. It can help stop further hair loss and also improve hair thickness. When we think of gelatin or jelly, desserts or sweet dishes often come to mind. But how effective is gelatin for hair loss? Why is it used in so many hair care products? Gelatin is essentially a protein derived from the bones and skin of animals, and jelly is made from gelatin. When dissolved in warm water, gelatin forms a gel-like texture. This is a unique type of protein. Unlike the sweet and flavored gelatin commonly found in markets, this one is unflavored and tasteless. You can easily find it in powder or tablet form from any online store. It's important to note that gelatin is 99% protein. Essentially, it is broken down protein in the form of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Gelatin also contains peptides, which are formed when amino acids combine in specific sequences. Peptides are highly beneficial, and gelatin has always been a part of our diet. Various clinical studies have explored its benefits. Gelatin is not only good for hair but also for skin and nails. It increases blood flow to the roots of the hair and contains a peptide called hydroxyproline, which specifically enhances hair volume. This peptide is commonly used in many hair growth products, and you can get it entirely from gelatin. I will provide links to some studies in the description of this video. Controlled clinical trials have shown that gelatin not only promotes hair growth, but also increases hair thickness. Significant improvements have been observed in results before and after its use. In this video, we'll also discuss 3 types of hair loss: androgenic, telogen effluvium, and autoimmune conditions. Gelatin provides the essential raw material needed and can help improve hair loss in all these cases. To prepare this remedy, take 10 to 15 grams of gelatin powder and dissolve it in half a cup of lukewarm water. Add a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil. Mix the solution well and apply it evenly across your scalp. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Use this remedy 1 to 2 times a week. Always prepare a fresh mixture for best results, and don't forget to share your experience. Goodbye.